Has this ever happened to you, that sudden jolt when your foot slips, let's say in the shower, or your body wobbles unexpectedly? It can steal your confidence in an instant. But here's the truth. Balance can improve just like strength. Today, I'm showing you how the 5BX60 program helps people over 60 improve their balance right at home with no equipment needed. Stick with me. I've got a simple move you could try today. I'm Andy, I'm 77, I'm a certified fitness instructor and the creator of the 5BX60 program. I've spent decades using and teaching this method, especially with older adults who want to stay strong, independent, and full of energy. I'm also a senior games athlete and a cancer survivor, so I know firsthand how powerful movement can be. Now, the 5BX60 system is based on science and history, real-world results, and hey, don't miss the Beat Andy Jump Rope Challenge. Now, let us make this fun. It's coming up later in this video. It's a fun way to build better rhythm and balance together, and yes, you're invited to join in. You'll also find support, community, and free exercise charts at 5bx60.com. Now, before we dive into the balance work, let me tell you where this all got started. Dr. Bill Orban was a legend, not just in fitness, but in sports and science. He earned a hockey scholarship to the University of California and later earned his PhD at the University of Illinois. Now, he discovered the science of short-duration, high-impact exercise, which became the basis of the 5BX60 program. When the Royal Canadian Air Force needed to keep pilots fit without equipment, Orban created the solution, and today I've adapted his breakthroughs into the 5BX60 designed specifically for people over 60. So why does balance get worse as we get older? It's not just aging. It's that we stop challenging our balance. We move less, we sit more, and lose that quick reaction time. But here's the good news. Balance responds to practice. The 5BX60 program is designed to reawaken those muscles and reflexes through simple daily movements. Let me show you how it works. Now let's go through the 5 foundational exercises of the 5BX60 system and how each one supports better balance. Flexibility, reach, and control. From a standing or seated position, gently reach toward your toes. This loosens the hamstrings and lower back, key areas for balance when bending, reaching, or standing up from a chair. Now, core crunches are for core stability. Lying down or seated upright, tighten your core and do a small crunch. A strong core keeps you steady when walking, turning, or recovering from a stumble. Now, the Superman move, back and postural strength, lying face down on a mat or sturdy surface, lift your arms, chest, and legs just a few inches. This strengthens the muscles along your spine and reinforces the posture that keeps you upright and balanced. And modified push-ups or full push-ups from a wall, a table, or even a chair. Perform slow push-ups. These build upper body strength, helping you support yourself when getting up or catching your balance. And stationary running or marching, in my case, jumping rope. You can jog in place or march for a low impact option. And this trains your brain, your feet, and your ankles to move and sync. Coordination is the secret to recovering your balance quickly. What makes 5BX60 different is that it's tailored for real life after 60. The exercises are low impact, easy to modify, and designed to enhance your daily movement from getting out of a chair to walking with greater confidence. It focuses on flexibility, strength, coordination, and above all, balance. The 5BX60 system is powerful on its own, but we've also added a few balance-specific exercises designed just for people over 60. Now let me show you 3 simple but incredibly effective moves you can do anywhere. Single leg stand. Stand tall and lift 1 foot off the ground. Use a chair for support if needed. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds and then switch. This strengthens your ankles and hips and trains your stabilizers. And sit to stand. From a sturdy chair, stand up without using your hands, then sit back down slowly. It's one of the best real-life strength and balance builders you can do. Heel to toe walk. Walk in a straight line, placing your heel directly in front of the toes of the other foot. This improves your walking coordination and strengthens your ankles and feet. Add these into your daily routine or alongside your 5BX60 session for even more balanced support. The Beat Andy Jump Rope Challenge is my favorite way to stay sharp. I do 100 hops a day to just keep my balance and timing and rhythm in check, but don't worry, you don't need to beat me or even use a rope. March, bounce, step in place. It's all about building consistency and being part of something fun. Visit 5bx60.com for charts, tips, and join our community. And when you try it, drop us a note about how you did on your hops today. And if you want better balance, stronger legs, and more confidence in your step, the 5BX60 program is your ticket to moving better every single day. Before starting any new routine, especially if you're managing health issues, have a quick chat with your doctor or a longer chat, whatever needs to be the case. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Aging Strong and share it with someone ready to feel steadier on their feet. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.